Friends, hello and welcome to this video talking about the amazing stock Biolase. Ticker on that one is going to be BIOL. And Biolase lately has been in the dumps for a stock. It's been doing pretty bad here, but today was a good day. And we're going to talk about why today was a good day. Some really good news has come out with Biolase, and if you are an investor with Biolase, I would probably be pretty excited right now, because whether you're wanting to get out of this and just get your money and go, completely understandable, or you're wanting to be here for a while and take a risk and ride this one out, definitely want to hear what's going on. So I made a video just about a week or so ago talking about Biolase is pissing off a lot of investors. And the reason I made that video is because Biolase has actually been doing pretty good here. It's been having good news come out. It's not like it's been a terrible company here. You know, like there hasn't been drama, there hasn't been bad stories coming out. It's just not a very interesting company for a lot of people when it comes to investing. They make laser instruments for dental office. Not too exciting, I get it. But if you're interested in making money, you probably should be interested. Now today, Biolase stock shot up almost 35%. Ever since we started to have this downtrend in the market, Biolase has been taking the massive effect from that, going all the way down to 76 cents. But today, Biolase is finally starting to come back to life here. And now we're wondering, can this thing finally get back up to over $1, stay at $1, and then maybe start getting back into the dollar teens here? Now let's read some news, what has been happening here. Now in that video that I was talking about with Biolase, Biolase was reporting revenue the week that I released that video. Now the great news that has come out with Biolase that has hit here lately is that Biolase has hit a 31% quarterly gain, and that has really piqued the investors' interest here lately. And then look at this, Biolase concluded a $14.4 million bought deal in February 2021, generating its capital to an incredible $40 million, which includes the proceeds from the warrants sold by Biolase in their 2020 rights offerings. Biolase also strengthened its balance sheet with cash on cash equivalents accounting for an incredible $17.9 million on December 31st. Now with Biolase having cash, they have good quarterlies. And friends, I'm gonna be honest, for a stock that's under $1 to come out with good quarterlies, that's pretty big. It's usually quite the opposite. 2 months ago, this company was talking about doing another reverse stock split, which if you were into Biolase deep at that time, you were going like, oh my God, this is not good. And don't forget this, Biolase just went into a partnership with Einstein Healthcare Network with supplying lasers to dental students that are going into the dental industry. And if you're wondering what's the big deal about that, think of that right there as an investment too. As these students, these new up-and-coming dentists work with Biolase's equipment, what do you think they're going to do when they get out, they start their own practice? They're going to want to use the newest and greatest products out there, and Biolase is at the top of the food chain when it comes to dental products. So friends, going back into a chart here, Biolase hit $1.03. Now that is massive. Really think about what this stock did today. I mean, an incredible jump. For something that was looking like it was down the dumps has taken a huge turn here. And if Biolase can keep going off this momentum, we can definitely start to move back up here into the dollar teens, like I've said, especially with this positive news coming out. And look at this right here. This is pretty impressive for Biolase here lately. It had an average volume of 30.3 million. That's really good. And sitting on a market cap of 113.83 million, with shares outstanding 149.38 million, quite a bit of shares still outstanding. Look at this as positive news. You have to start somewhere, and right now Biolase has had some really good news come out, and this is really great momentum, especially if you've been here a while, especially if you're sitting in this stock for around $1.20, $1.30, even almost $1.40, and you're saying like, I just want to get out of this thing. I would look at this as really positive news, and hopefully the stock and investors and new investors react to this news and see that this is actually a really good company, and this is a very unique company. But like I've said before, if you're in Biolase, you're gonna have to have patience and you're gonna have to be here a while. This is a stock that requires a lot of impatience, and you're gonna have to do the Warren Buffett method on here and just sit back and wait for this thing to multiply. But friends, that's what I see. Comment, play nice in the comments with each other much as you can. I know it's difficult sometimes. But be positive, be you, invest in your future. It literally starts with $5. And friends, I will talk to you very soon. God bless you guys. Bye guys.